It's got the dual exhaust on the El Camino. I had some of the details in an earlier video. You can see down here I don't have the upswept smog type manifolds anymore. These are the hooker high flows. They give you a lot more room in here, and they've got the 2.5 inch pretty good flowing outlets. Rest of the quick details, it's got a 650 AVS carb on it and a Summit 1200 4.7 swap cam. Still super low compression. It's got decent power, but I can use any kind of fuel I want in it. And I had to modify this bracket here a little bit to fit around the different design of the manifold, but that's kind of an important one because it supports the back of the power steering pump and the air conditioner. If you had the newer style serpentine belt, it probably wouldn't even be an issue. The exhaust shop did a really nice job of tucking this up out of the way, and he gave me an extra flange here. I asked him to give me some provisions for pulling transmissions or engines, so it comes back at least to the cross member. They should hang low enough. And this is that G-Force. I think it's marketed as a Summit cross member, but it came in G-Force packaging. So I've got that tucked in there. These are the I think just the 14-inch Dynomax Super Turbo mufflers, and this is the Summit G-body tailpipe kit, and they did have to modify it a little bit to fit the extra length of the El Camino. I suppose you'd have to do the same for a wagon. And everything clears nice. I've taken some bumps at speed with it, no interference, no rubbing on anything. I have not started this thing yet today. It's about 55 degrees. Let me just put you back in the holder here. And see how it starts. Sorry for the extra noises. I'm not a videographer and I haven't mastered editing yet. As you can hear, it's very quiet. It's got a little bit of rumble, probably more just kind of some harmonics in the vehicle. At highway speeds, can't hear it at all hardly. Just a little bit of an idle rumble, and I didn't like the looks of the tailpipe sticking out the back as much, so I just had them turn them down at the bumper a little bit. And great job. I'm happy with it. It is not going to annoy anybody. Tell me what you think.